Assalamu alaikum, grade 3, how are you all? It's 11th December, Friday. We will start a new chapter, money. So open up your books, page number 67 of your book. Let's have a look. What is money? Money क्या होता है? Money is very important in our life. To purchase things, we need money to buy and sell things. Money is also needed to pay for services. Which services? For example, school fees, doctor fees, utility bills, and you can say money is very important for us to buy the things. So without money, we can't purchase anything. So money is commonly used in two forms. Which two forms? Coins and पैसास. आपने देखे हैं, you can see coin of these days. We have coin of 1 rupees coins, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and even these days a new coin also has been launched in our country. So 10 rupees coin also you can see. So every country has its own currency. In Pakistan, it is called rupees and paisas. So we can represent rupees with RS, okay? Rupees, RS, and paisas with P. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisas, or you can say there are 100 paisas in 1 rupees. Grade 1, Pakistani rupee is no longer subdivided into paisas. So the paisa coins are not in circulation these days, okay, anymore. Why? Paisas coins are not in circulation these days. We are only using 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees coins these days. So different countries has different currencies. As I have told you already, Pakistan has its own currency that is known as rupees and paisas. And the most commonly used currency is the US dollar, okay, that is globally used for the transactions. Now have a look of the country currencies and symbols. You can see that Pakistan had the currency in Pakistan. The currency is rupees and paisas. I have already told you in introduction, and the symbol is rupee. For rupees, we write and express RS, and for paisas, we express P. We write P. Canada has Canadian dollars and cent. Canada has the currency of Canada is Canadian dollar and cent, and they represent the symbol of their currencies are dollar and cent. So China has Chinese yuan. This is the symbol of their currency. India has Indian rupees and the symbol of Indian currency. You can see America, United States of America, US dollars and cent. US dollars are their paper money and cent are the coins. So they represent dollars with this sign and cent also for this sign for the cent. United Kingdom, British pound, penny. This is the sign, symbol of pound and penny. So grade 3, now how do we read and write money? Our objectives in this lesson are also how to read and write money. You can see in your book 1 rupee consists of 100 paisas. I have already told you. As you can see here, and we express 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisas. And RE stand for 1 rupee only. RE stand for 1 rupee and rupees stand for more than 1 rupees, and rupees is the plural. A US dollar consists of 100 cents. So we write US dollar 100 US 1 dollar is equal to 100 cents. Okay, so $1 is divided into 100 cent. Pakistani rupee is subdivided into 100 paisas. So grade 3, how do we write money? Grade 3, you can see on the board rupees 2 and 5 paisas. How do we write the rupees, 2 rupees and 5 paisas? We will express RS 2.00. We always write paisas after the point. Okay, so any amount after rupees, after 1 rupee can be written after the points. Okay, you can say we write paisas after the points. Same way, $16.10. How do we write them? 16.10, and we will write dollar. It means 16s are the dollar and 10 are the cents. So we also write cents after the point. Grade 3, have a look of some other examples on your book. You can see a point, rupees 216 and 95 paisas. How do we write them in figure? It is written in words and write them in figures. We will write 216.95 RS. You can write this like this in figures. Rupees 216.95. See the B point. It is written in figures. We have to write in words. Rupees 590.85. It means 590 rupees and 85 paisas. So how do we write? Rupees 590 and 85 paisas. 85p. It is written in words and this is in figure. So you have to complete this whole chart. Okay, grade 3. So now have a look of question number 2. Write the amount in figures and after adding them. So you have to, as you can see, a point, $1, $1, $1. How many dollars? If you add them, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 times $1 make $3. कितने बन जाएंगे? $3. And how many cents you can see? 25 cents. So it will be $3 and 3.25. You will write it as $3.25. It means $3. After point we will write cents. So 3.25, $3.25. See the next part. B, $5 and $1. So 5 plus 1, total $6. And 25 cent and 25 cent. 25 and 25 will be 50. $6.50 total. So how do we will write in figures? We will write $6 06. You can write 06.50 50 cents total 50 cents. So grade 3, this is your task. Question number 1 and 2 you have to do on the book very neatly. Thank you, grade 3.